today I have 5 PSP 1000s. I just pulled them out of my junk box, so let's see what's wrong with them. I don't know. They're probably from Google Finds or eBay. It's been a while. It's been like 2 years. So let's see why they were scrapped for parts. Picture-in-picture was kind of a harder deal to do than I thought, so I'm probably not going to do that again. But today I got 5 PSP 1001s, well, not 1001s necessarily. You'll see the last one is a 1000. It's a Japanese version, the white one. Anyway, okay, so right off the bat we see the battery cover is missing on this. That's cheap and easy. Has a relatively good moving joystick. Everything else seems to be okay. UMD drive works. That's alright. And so let's try it with a battery at first. Light turns on. That's okay. And screen turns on. Like I said, generally these aren't too bad. I'm guessing the reason why I didn't there's a big line on the screen. That's fun. And the right side does not work. I can't even get in there. Ooh, that button is sticky, so yeah. Alright, let's get it open, see if I can get the D-pad at least fixed. I'm not gonna do it. Actually, also let's see if it powers on through this, which would mean, okay, so that board is fine. It's probably the pads or something, because on these ones it's not a ribbon cable on here. It is like an actual board. Yeah, so I mean it turns on. Does it charge a battery? And it does. Okay, so I mean everything works but the D-pad, and the screen here is a little damaged, and this button does not depress. So I'm thinking some damage on this side. So let's crack it open and see what's wrong. Alright, and like all other ones, they just open straight up. Okay, well, I mean, that doesn't look bad at all. So, I mean, that's broken off.
So what I'm doing here now is taking out the screen. So I'm using a plastic spudging tool to not damage the aluminum tape behind there, and then just checking the ribbons. So let's see what happened.
There we go there. Let's see here. Why would there be a big purple line on that side other than screen damage?
Well, it turns out the buttons were just sticky, so just a quick clean with soap and water, got the stickiness out, put it back together, and lo and behold, it reads games and plays fine. So only the purple line on the screen, which you can fix with a screen mod, which I'll do later and reshell it. So yeah, good to go. On to the next one.
Alright, number 2 here. Let's see here. PSP 2 looks damaged. Probably be another reshell. Really hate doing reshells. They take so much time. UMD drive looks okay. Pops right open. This one's been opened before. That sucks. Really damaged screen and all that. It actually has a battery pack, which makes my life a little easier here. Oh man, these things are just... No wonder people lose them so often. It just does not click. Whatever. It would probably be another reshell because of the damage there too. Let's see here, and there is an SD card. 1 gigabit. 1 gigabyte. It looks like the screen isn't working. Let's see here. So if I plug it in, does the light turn? Yeah. There's that. So let's take the memory card out. Sometimes modded PSPs don't like to boot up with a card in for some weird reason. The screen's not even illuminating though. Okay, well, it's hard to tell whether it's not on or not. So Yeah, it's not making any sounds. So I'm gonna crack it open, reseat the screen, and see what's going on in there. Alright, well, I mean, I don't really have much to lose doing that. It turns on. Screen is not backlit. Take a classics. Yeah, this thing probably fried. Yeah. Alright, well, that's cool. So this will probably be a future project. I did order some more of these power connectors for the 1000s. So probably should get some more of those little jelly pads then now too. Did not expect that to be gone. Anyway, so I'm just gonna toss this back together real quick. And yeah, write a note on it. So number 3 had a sticker from previous. I think this was most likely from an eBay lot because Goodwill does not care. So light on screen does not. Yes, this was written by Yoda. Does not. No screen of does not. Okay, so screen does not light up. Well, that is very true. No sound either, so... But does it turn off instantaneously after a bit? Yeah, it does. So it's something of the same on the other one. So let's go open it up and see what's wrong. Oh wow, yeah, that just comes right out too. No screen power, and there's a LED off there. Looks like an LED, right? Like, oop, that's gone. And it's gone. So I know this screen worked at one point. Oop, don't want to use metal on plastic. Oh, there's the LED. Yeah, probably looks like it's from over here. Yeah, that's definitely from over here. Interesting. So it might not be a bad LED or a bad screen. It's probably a bad board. Probably cracked somewhere. Yeah, it's probably a bad board. So, I don't know, at this point in time, this is my first run here, so yeah, I'll probably switch out the original components. I am not wholly convinced that this is a good screen or bad, whatever. Alright, so number 4 came with the back battery plate. Looks pretty decent other than the screen here is fairly cracked. Yeah, let's see here. Is this springy? Good. Is there a memory card in here? No. Alright, so let's see if it turns on with the battery. Let's see if this closes back down on it. Cool. Please. Please. Okay, turns on, I thought. Yeah, turns on. No battery light though. That sucks. Let's see here. Is it an LED specific thing? That turns on. Ooh, he's got a nice fancy screensaver here. So let's see here. Infrastructure mode. Scan. Okay, light turns on over here. Come on, we know not for Terry's here. Come on now. Is it because come on. Well, I'll have to try it off later. Sometimes it doesn't like pick up the range near enough. Or it doesn't like 5G, 3.2 or 2G. No, 3G is a little spotty. Yeah. UMD drive works, that's great. Kind of rare that most of these actually have working drives. I have a ton of spare drives too. Alright, continue. Oh, stick drift. Yeah, so it just needs to be a little tighter. So when you get stick drift like that, it could either mean that it's pushed too hard, or if it's not hard enough. So, yeah, I hate these old PSPs. So that might also be because it's damaged here. Anyway, so let's see here. Left, right works. D-pad obviously works. Joystick sort of works. So yeah, this will be another reshell. Right, and this all works. Alright, and then the last one, this white one. It's a little dirty inside. That's not too bad though. A little dirty on the outside. Door works. No card. No battery. Warranty sticker still there. It still feels pretty good. Let's see if it actually functions. My god, I hate these stupid things. There's a reason why there's so many missing. There we go. Snaps right in, turns right on. Oh, broken screen. Alright, that works too. Alright, so a trick with these, I know this is a Japanese model, circle is actually good instead of X for American, and X is the go back. So now we're in here. I know menu's all the way over there. So let me grab my game and see if it can read a game. And then I might just do a screen swap. Okay, you can hear it kind of humming. Is it gonna auto boot? Auto boot, roll out. Did I nail it? I think it's good. It's just thinking about it. These old PSP 1000s are very slow. Haha. It is working. Alright, so that's a really easy fix. Let's go fix the screen right now. Cool. That one's a broken screen. Off into the garbage. Alright, and which one do I short? This is an icy... no.
I tried doing it by just plain eyesight, but it was way too small to really see. So I kind of screwed the pooch. You can see the trace broken up a little bit there. But now that I have the microscope out, I can just kind of touch it up with a solid core enamel coated piece of wire. I use 30-aught, but any solid core will make it a lot easier than trying to use stranded. like I tried before and screwed up the pad. But anyway, yeah, you want to short these two pads together, otherwise your screen positioning will be all out of line, and yeah, not fun. So let's see if it works.
We'll see if I really screwed the pooch on this one, but I don't think so. It'll be all right. So here we go. We get a new screen on. Let me get this here. So it's gonna need to go like that here. This is one of the older style of 1000 replacement screens. It comes with a ribbon cable. It has to mount like that into there. And so this one needs to probably mount like this. Oof. These things are always nerve-wracking. They're just so brittle, so flimsy. Alright, well, where is my battery? Alright, oof. So nerve-wracking. Man, that looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's get our foam pad out. I really need that finesse of my fingers.
Alright, so this one reassembled, tested all the functionality, and it works perfectly fine. It's great. Upgraded screen too. So I'll just probably list it as is. Working, functional, fully tested, upgraded screen, and a new battery. And so, yeah, it's a bummer that the other two didn't work, but I mean, 3 out of 5 is pretty good odds, especially for broken consoles when you buy them for like 20 bucks each. So the few that work, I'll probably be able to sell once reshelled and functional like this one, about $100 or $120, depending on whether or not I use a different screen. And yeah, I mean, the others that don't work, I think it's probably something for a Pandora battery. That's new to me. I never really played a PSP, so that'll be another video. But okay, well, let's get into the outro then.
Okay, so out of 5, I mean, this one was the pure winner, just not much of a mod or anything needed to get it to work again, just a screen replace. The other 4, I mean, 2 of them work, but they have some minor issue with the case or with a circuit board, which are easy fixes, but might as well just reshell it all at once instead of wasting my time fixing it in the current destroyed shell. So, and then the other 2, I just can't get to work. One broken screen, and the other one has like a broken circuit board. No, wait. One was a broken circuit board, no power to the screen, which weird. I'll have to look into that. If you know anything, let me know in the comments. That's new to me. I'm not really that pro at fixing these, but hey, I'm trying to be. I got like 20 more of these to go, so we'll see. Maybe next week I'll do another one if this takes off. Oh, right. Anyway, yeah, so 2 birds, not really fixable. 3 of them, good. So, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. Just let me know what I'm doing is good or not. See if I can keep going. So, until next time.